In Stacking Up today, Joe Cusick of the Cusick Group joins us now, and he says it's time to start to watch the industrial stocks. So let's talk about a name, Joe, that we've never really even mentioned on this show before. It's H&E Equipment, a big equipment maker. So what do you think about this stock?
You know, what piqued my interest is that I saw a big implied volatility movement. And in this environment where there is absolutely no volatility, it's just the grind to the upside, this piqued my interest. They do have earnings on the 4th of August. It is an industrial that we normally don't talk about, but when you see a 25-point increase in the implied volatility, and I was looking at the cover right, it actually has a pretty robust return where you're buying the stock and selling calls against it. That's telling me that there's an anticipation of potentially violent moves, and it looks like it's setting up that the violent move is maybe leaning more towards the upside. So I want to watch industrials, and that's a sector, Angie, that I think your viewers need to keep an eye on when they are looking at the market, because if industrials are start moving to the upside, that is going to be a huge catalyst for the market.
Also on Joe's list, Center Point. So same realm?
Yeah, same realm, a little bit of a different industry, it's utilities, but then there's the yield play. The yield play is still on. Bonds have come off pretty dramatically in the last couple days. It's been very interesting to see that price action come off. The yields are starting to go up. But there are a lot of individuals that do need that portion of their portfolio where they need yield. And so utilities are one area that they're going to look at. Centerpoint, what was interesting is that you see that they're not buying the stock for the yield, they're buying the stock for the upside. Utilities have been very bullish because bonds have been priced so high, yield so low. Let's see if that continues. If it does, these are the types of stocks that you're going to want to start keeping an eye on and on your radar. You could add those in there for some price appreciation pretty quickly, because there's going to be a need to have those in your portfolio.
And then last on your list is Ingersoll Rand.
Yeah. Ingersoll, haven't seen any bullish or bearish activity. What I have seen is that volatility has come up a little bit. The covered right, and I use this as a barometer. The covered right has a robust return in August. That's telling me that there's an anticipation going into August expiration of the options of a potential big violent move. It could be either up or down. Looking at this, it looks like the technicals and a lot of the fundamentals with this industrial are lining up for some potentially bullish upside. They do have earnings in August in the beginning. Let's keep an eye on that one.
Thank you, Joe, for coming on the show.
You bet.